every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray.
For AKF organization. Are you sure?
The next one would be yung mga onions and garlic. I know you already know this, but at the same time, hindi ka na natin nag-iisa sa ating mga onion. Hindi ko yung mga pwede na natin natin. Kaya that's so, I would, or I think the Institute would discourage you. Give your best. Stress as much as possible, especially when you're with the and then the third one would be any types of coffee, or tea. Yeah, that would be because also some sort of of course, in fact, it can occur some problems for your pets when it comes to digestive system. So that's the outline of what foods are not to avoid with your pets. Okay? Second question. Alright, look closely of the three images that you see here. Alright? Which of the dogs below has the ideal way? First one to come on stage. Yes, your name please. And your answer, Miss Kathy. Your answer. A, B, or C? B? Are you sure? Okay, C, final answer. C, alright. Can we check what is the correct answer? Yes, it is C. So, the reason behind it,
ipagkalat niyo po for free ang ating photo booth, for free ang ating face paint, and lastly, meron kaming kasama mga bigating vets. Ang lahat po ng consultation namin is for pwede po tayong mamigay na 5 rock for pop. Ayan. Pinamodel ko ng aking kasama. 5 rock for pop. Ano ang challenge? Excited po ba kayong marinig ang challenge? Sino po yung 5 na gustong mag-volunteer? Yung mga excited, umaakyat. Kung ako gusto ko rock or rock, aakyat agad ako dito sa stage. Ayan! Sobrang excited! Sa front stage na siya umakyat. 5 lang po tayo. Yan. Anyone ba na gusto mag-volunteer? Eto, wala lang tayo. Wow! Sama pa niya kanyang band. Ayan! Ang dami. So, since meron na po tayong participants, let's get ready as I welcome our guest performer. Ma'am, sino ang favorite artist mo? Wala. Hindi siya maka-artista. Ikaw, ma'am, sino ang favorite artist mo? Wow! Ay, hindi ko kaya si Taylor Swift. Pero Swiftie si mama, no? So, I would like to welcome our bibong-bibong guest performer. Ang cute na cute at laging pinagkakaguluhan. Ngayon po ang challenge. Sasabayan niyo lang yung ating guest performer. So, hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin niya, ha? Take note. Basta sayawan, panlaban. Si Whoopi, the Happy Doggy. Palakpakan po natin, Whoopi, the Happy Doggy. And come on, let's go, ready? Everyone is ready? Pwede po natin siyang sabayan. And lahat po na nag-participate, for sure, meron po tayong makukuha. In your mark, since ready na si Whoopi, the Happy Doggy, isang malakas na palakpakan from the crowd. Let's go!
Dogs are happy beats, yes, universe.
Sabay po tayo!
It's alam ng
Singles dance! Wow! Ang dami ng laban!
walang nangis, walang ulang person, sila. Excited sila, ayos na sila. So, Pinoy sa family, ang ina. Feeling right, to be alright.
Sige po! Wow! Swerte po naman ang mga porcelain! Wow! Ang kaliban! Wow! Thank you so much, everyone! Meron pa kong isang dance sa Whoopi. Pwede po tayong sumabay.
So, Pinoy sa family, ang ina. Feeling right, to be alright. Pati sila.
Wow! Grabe mo ng energy! Whoopi! The Happy Doggy! Yes! Maraming salamat po. And as promised, ito po ang iba't ibang gift for everyone. Palakpakan po natin Whoopi, the Happy Doggy, and all the participants. Ayan! Congratulations! Picture po tayo. Whoopi, the Happy Doggy, sa gitna lang po tayo. Ayan! Show all your prizes! Ayan! Smile po in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile! Another shot for Waki! Whoopi, kaya mo bang mag-Waki? Ay, kaya na ba? Wow! Ang jump shot! Ang natatakot ako mag-jump shot eh. Pero sige, Waki! In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! And for our last shot, can we do the hand sign po for Whoopi? Yes! And syempre, magbabati po tayo sa bawat isa. You can greet them. Whoopi Amazing Day! Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yes! Whoopi Amazing Day and congratulations everyone! Maraming salamat po for joining. And yes! Hi daw! Ayan! Nag-group picture pala si Ruby na happy doggy for everyone. Ano mo? Ayan, dito po tayo mag-picture. And while nag-picture si Ruby na happy doggy, we would like to sum up our program with a big thank you. Thank you so much everyone. And of course, sa lahat po ng hindi pa nakaka-visit sa aming booth, please, mag-visit po tayo again. Whoopie Amazing Day. This is Whoopie Dog Food for healthier and happier dog. Whoopie Amazing Day, everyone! Thank you!
Those are happy, stress relief, fresh start. If you want kids na daw sa love kanya, sa pagkinanan ay kami na siya. Alagaan pati ng mas sustansya. Yung prefer, yung meron na. Walang nais, walang unang gusto, sisila.
Ayun. So muli ko mga ka-pets and Philippines. Guys, palakpan naman natin si Movie the Happy Dog. Guys, palakpan natin siya. So, sobrang ang hirap ko kumita ng pera sa panahon ko talaga ngayon. So, thank you so much, Movie. Ayan, masaya naman siya. Nakasmile po siya sa loob ng kanyang costume. Alright, thank you so much, guys. And again, thank you so much, Miss Josie, from our friends from Jet Fest Annual Tradition. Alright, so ngayon naman guys, dire-diretso na tayo sa ating mga partners na booths and partner brands. At this point naman, i-welcome natin ang mga kaibigan natin from the Pet Food Institute. I think she's ready. Palakpakan mo natin si Ma'am Andrea!
Hello! Good afternoon, Pet Summit Philippines! Is everyone enjoying yung mga booths natin ngayon? And I see everyone na binibisita ang iba't ibang products and services na ina-offer natin ngayon for the Pet Summit Philippines. So we're really excited to be here. I am Andrea from the Pet Food Institute. And just a little bit of background about ourselves. We are an organization that represents the vast majority of U.S. pet food makers. So when it comes to like commercially made pet foods that are made in the U.S., we really advocate, to give your pets the complete and balanced meal that your pet needs. So I'm sure the main reason na nandito kayo dito sa Pet Summit you are compassionate and loving pet owners. And I'm sure na may experience na kayo with regards to caring for your pets. Now, I have a game here, and we actually have some prizes to be given away. So we really need you to participate. So may I ask my colleague to show what kind of prizes that we have. So, alright, so we will be doing a quiz, and I hope this side of the stage is game to join us because we will be giving a goodie bag containing a lot of, or maybe some of pet care items that you can use for your furry friends. So maybe I can start with the quiz with the first question. So are you guys ready? So the mechanics of the game is very simple, okay? So paunahan po tayo, maybe just to go on stage or maybe approach me to answer the correct answer. So the first one to answer correctly shall win a prize. So are you guys ready? Yes, okay. So first question, we will start off easy muna, okay? Which one of the food choices below are harmful to pets? The first one to go on stage will win a prize. Okay, we have the first contestant. Sige po. Okay, what's your answer, ma'am? Sorry, your name first, please. Okay, which of the food choices below are harmful to pets? D, all of the above. Is that the right answer? Yes, of course. And because of that, you win a prize. Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Lamarty. You win a bag of pet care items here of Pet Food Institute. And the dog is, which is the grams of calories yung required diet for your pet. Ibig sabihin, it should not be more than 40% yung magiging cheese niya. So, please,
And minsan-minsan, may community dogs in parking lots. Yung nakita niyo kanina, yung maraming pusa, sa Bilibid po yan, Bilibid Prison. Nag-DNPR po kami sa Bilibid Prison kasi si Sir Nakapang, yung pinakalit ng Bureau, ay gusto niya nakita na lahat ng mga aso at pusa at he agreed na kung kukunin namin ipapa-ligate and castrate at ipapabakuna pwede lang yung mga pusa at aso sa Pilipid. Yun po ay ginagawa namin sa ibang villages, ibang companies. Kasi ang nangyayari po, pag pinalaman po yung lahat ng pusa at hindi pinalik, nagkakaroon po ng panibago ng pusa at tinatawag po niyan is vacuum effect. At kung walang bagong pusa, ang kamanang-naman po ay which is more malala sa mga sakit. Now, not everybody likes